nearby house. I'm going to stay with my parents for some time. I don't know for how long, till I figure things out, and till things get figured out. I can't share those things with you guys right now because, you know, I want those things to work out and then I'll share everything with you guys. I just don't want to, you know, put it out there, and what if it doesn't happen, and then, you know, I'll have to make another video about, you know, it not happening and me crying. So it's better that, you know, I should let it happen and then I can share it with you guys. So good morning. I need to fucking stop. What's up? I sound too happy, but in reality I'm not that happy, but I sound happy, and I haven't even like had my coffee yet, so it's not normal. Because every time when I wake up and in the mornings before I've had my coffee, I am a bitch sometimes, actually most of the times. Anyway, I had a busy day today and I had a few updates and shit. So fuck, wait, the lighting is bad. I had a few updates. I am moving. I mean, I'm not moving today, but I'll be moving in like 4-5 days. So my house is a big mess. I can show it to you guys if you want. So my workstation, I moved it in my room because I had no choice, because there's no space left outside. And then if you go out, my house is a giant hot mess. This plant, do you guys remember? It's dead. I feel so bad because I took like good care of it, but then I was away from home for like a week and it died. Poor thing. So this is the situation of my house right now. I still have to pack the kitchen up and there's still so much shit to do. So for now I'm going to stay with my parents for some time. I don't know, I was going to fall. I'm going to move and I have to ship everything to my parents' house. Other than that, I've been super busy with packing and stuff, and packing things out, and that's about it. What else? I'm going out. I'm going to get 2 new tattoos today, so I'm super excited about that. Parth, he wanted to get a tattoo done too, so we are going together. I'm waiting for him. He has to pick me up. I'm ready and looking all nice and all dressed up, super excited. So that's the plan. I think on the way we might pick coffee up, or should I just make one right now? I don't know. Should we just make one, or should we just... I wouldn't mind having coffee from outside. I don't feel like making one because my kitchen's a mess and the house is a mess, as you guys just saw. So yeah, that's all the updates. I updated you with almost everything, I think. We'll have a good day. I don't know why am I so hyper. So I'm getting one tattoo here. I have to cover this one up. I fucking hate it. I got it done when I was in my first year. That means I was, I think, 18. Fucking hate it. There's one more, but I still don't know like where to place it. I was thinking on my ankle, but still not sure about it. So we'll think it through while Varun finishes this one. Varun is the same guy who did this tattoo for me. He is amazing at what he does and he's such a nice person. If you guys want his information and all that bullshit, I'll link everything in the description below and you guys can check out his work and get a tattoo done. Maybe it's the plan. Let me wear my shoes quickly and then I can show you my outfit, and I think Parth will be here in the 10-15 minutes. And then we can go have coffee and get my tattoo done. So excited. That's my OOTD. I think this really cute tube top from Zara, these Adidas pants, and silver bullets underneath. Apparently it's a sin to wear Adidas and Nike together, but guess what, I don't give a shit. Ready to go. Parth is waiting downstairs. I have to leave.
Whoa.
But
She's a runner, she's a track star. Give a drive?
I guess.
I'm thinking no AC today.
Shut the fuck.
Alright.
It's so fucking hot for all you idiots who love, you know, the heat and summers. Screw you, because the weather is so shit and I'm sweating so much.
I thought you were all about that hot girl summer thing.
I do, but I hate.
No, you're not.
I am, but I don't like the heat.
You are cold winter sweat pants girl. Winter?
I'm a beach gal, but I hate the heat.
The beach in the evening.
So Parth is getting his first ever tattoo done. Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
Are you scared?
No.
I think he is scared, and then he's going to cry like a baby. And we're running super late, so that is kind of stressing me out. Can I get a bag for this?
What's up?
The staff was so
Very nice. Did you get Varun's drink also?
yeah, I think it would taste test.
Good shit.
I think we should leave quickly because we are getting super late. Are you mad at me?
No.
He is at all.
He is?
He is. Do you want to say something before your tattoo?
Please be nice to me. Don't be a dick about it like last time.
I think it's not possible.
You have to wipe it softly. You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah. 100%.
So with Varun, he is an amazing artist, but the problem is that he
Don't
tortures you.
No.
He tortures you so
no.
much.
Yeah, man, I remember being so naive when life was good, weather and palm trees. Back in the day, you were everything I need. But then along came a time when you crushed my dreams. Oh yeah, you played me like a fool when you made me believe that the line between love wasn't thick enough to read. Oh yeah, you see we in the spin.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dhanyavad. Thank you.
Take care of your tattoos.
You're selling false hope cause you just don't care. Nah, you just don't.
Hi. It's 8:30 right now and we just got free. Got our tattoos done. Super tired. I think I'll go home now and have dinner. And yeah, that's the plan. I think Parth is going to drop me home. That's pretty much it. I don't think I'll be vlogging if I go home. We'll see if I'm in the mood. Or if I feel like vlogging, I'll vlog. Otherwise, fuck it, because there's so much to do and my house is a mess. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, I guess. I'm really like dreading going back home, so that's fun. So how do you feel about your first tattoo?
I like it. Can you see it? Can you see it? Yeah. And this.
Well, first of all, they can't see it. Parth, you don't have to move that much. Try blowing it off.
So you put out the flame. Very funny of you. What about this?
I really like the other one.
I like this. Ow! I like
Sorry,
this one.
I like this one.
This one's cute.
Yeah, man, I remember being so naive when life was good, weather and palm trees. Back in the day, you were everything.
I'm so tired. It's been a week, a hectic ass week. I've been packing like crazy, and I hate moving. I absolutely hate it. I fucking hate it. Done. Not feeling anything at all. Like, I'm not sad, I'm not happy, I'm not feeling anything because I think I'm so exhausted. You feel me? So I just want to get done with this bullshit for real, and I'm never moving again. Fuck that shit. I think I will miss this house a little.